If you're like me, you've probably accidentally left your caps lock on and typed away without looking up at the screen. And you ended up with a sentence or paragraph or pages that look exactly like this. You've got the capital letters in all the wrong places and the lowercase letters in all the wrong places as well. Well, there's an easy way to fix this without having to retype all that, so this could save you a lot of time. What you want to do is you want to highlight everything that you want to fix. And in the Home tab at the top, go to where it says this little button here with the uppercase and lowercase a, Change Case. Choose the drop down and choose Toggle Case. And look at that, we've fixed it. Now let's say, oh, wait a minute, it also made several words have capital letters that shouldn't have capital letters. Now what do I do? Well, that's okay. Just highlight the ones that should be fixed. Leave the ones that are correct just as they are. Go back to there and then choose lowercase. Now the sentence is fixed without having to go ahead and retype it. So this could save you a lot of time without having to retype a lot of words. And we've done this in Microsoft Word 2019.